My name is Robert Wood with Lightning AI, and today I'm going to tell you how to very easily start to use OpenClaw to automate processes through the Lightning platform. So typically what you might have to do to get started is maybe buy a Mac Mini, maybe start up a EC2 instance, and then install OpenClaw into that environment so that you can just start to get to the work of setting up OpenClaw. Once you actually get it installed, setting it up, making sure it's linked with any third-party APIs that you might be getting models from can be another very arduous process. We want to help you avoid that altogether using Lightning. So how would you get started with OpenClaw on Lightning? You can just come into Lightning, create a new studio, scroll over to the OpenClaw tile in the studio, and then we can go ahead and start this machine. It's going to be automatically connected to a model that we are hosting. So you don't need to send any data through third-party APIs. You also have the option to self-host models so that any data or actions you take using OpenClaw are completely running in a private environment where all of your files, all of your data, all of your processes, all of your conversations are only being executed within a completely sequestered environment from any of the other processes or systems that you might be using. We'll go ahead and wait for this to spin up, and then we'll talk about how you actually get yourself set up to start working with your private data and models in OpenClaw using Lightning. Now the OpenClaw Studio is ready to start working. I can simply come in here where I would have to do a lot of setup just to link it to my Anthropic account, my OpenAI account, whatever models I'm using. I can simply start to say now, I want to build a system to analyze sales data from Google Sheets and send emails to stakeholders. And then you can start to get set up. Any of the skills that might be relevant to that task, it will allow you to install, whether that is aggregating data from Twitter or being able to read your Google Sheets using a secure integration, or any of the other skills that you might find within the OpenClaw suite. You're able to install those easily and then get to work. If there's any proprietary data that you wanted to bring into the studio that allows people to chat with that data, you can always make sure it's connected to the drive here. And you can also connect it yourself. And then if you wanted to self-host a completely private version of an OpenClaw Studio and you wanted to bring a model in, you can always change the environment that you're working in. Say you need to use a model that has to run on an H100. I can always click that, request it, and then switch over to that machine so I can self-host the model in a completely private environment. So you're not sending data to model APIs that are hosted elsewhere. What this might look like in practice is I have built an easy chatbot. It took me a very small amount of time to build this chatbot. And what I was able to do was connect the Google API so that I can read Google Sheets, and I have a mock data sheet for a sales team. And I can say, who is the top performing rep in the West? OpenClaw is able to go into that sheet using a private integration and actually give me the information that I need. So I can see Diana Evans is the top rep in the West region. She's actually the only one in the West. Now I have that information all aggregated by OpenClaw. I can aggregate from multiple sources as long as I make those connections. And then let's say I want to send an email to the stakeholders that care about performance. So I can say, send these results to robert.wood@lightning.ai. And it will also be able to use that same Google API to tap into the Gmail associated with my account and send an email to robert.wood@lightning.ai. So if I go into my Gmail, I'm going to be able to see from my private user, we have that email and we are able to see those results. So without much work at all, I was able to integrate Google Sheets, aggregate, analyze data, and then use that to take action to actually send those results to somebody without even touching the applications that OpenClaw is touching. So once I have this built out, let's say I want to share this with a team member. I can easily come in here and click share, and then I can share it with my organization so that I can copy the link, and users will be able to come in here and actually use this pre-built OpenClaw template to analyze their sales data and send emails to their stakeholders about potentially different data sources. So that would be a very quick example of how fast you can start to get value out of an OpenClaw solution. I was able to build this workflow within 10 minutes, and I can extend it out to send messages to Slack, aggregate data from multiple sources, Salesforce, HubSpot, anything like that. I was able to do that very quickly with Lightning. without much setup at all. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this is a clear demonstration of how Lightning AI can help you get value out of OpenClaw much quicker than you would if you had bought yourself a Mac Mini or you tried to do any sort of setup yourself. All within a very secure environment with the possibility to self-host models to completely sequester this information, this data, these tasks from third-party APIs.